guys, Candida here, and I wanted to show you the Vikaey Modern Crystal Ceiling Light, specifically the Sputnik Firework Flush Mount Ceiling Light with the LED bulbs in the middle here. This is great for a hallway, a bedroom, a kitchen, and it's nice and bright, and so when the lights are on, it really illuminates the crystal. I think the light is absolutely stunning. The Sputnik Firework shape, it creates a modern and unique look that is sure to impress anyone that comes over to visit. The chrome finish is also sleek and elegant. The crystals add just that right amount of sparkle to make it truly eye-catching when you come in. Overall, I would really recommend this if you're looking for a new chandelier style light that's going to be not only stylish, but practical. The design is truly unique and it's going to add a touch of elegance to any room. So I hope you found this review helpful.